Hello everyone, welcome to Colorido's channel. Today we will introduce the unique technical features of the sock printer in detail.
Digital printing technology. Working principle: the sock printer uses digital printing technology to spray ink directly onto socks through the print nozzle, which can easily achieve the design of complex patterns and rich colors to meet the personalized needs of consumers. No quantity limit. Small batch production: the sock printer is suitable for small batch, high-quality customization, breaking the traditional Jacquard quantity limit, and can maintain high quality and high efficiency even in small batch production. Fast order processing. Fast proofing. Compared with traditional Jacquard, digital printing greatly shortens the proofing time from the traditional 2-3 days to 1 working day, speeding up order processing. Reduced defective rate. High precision printing. During the digital printing process, the pattern is directly sprayed on the white socks by the print nozzle, and the sock surface is very smooth, reducing the probability of defective products in the production process. Strong stability. Stable chemical properties. After digital printing, the socks are treated with color fixation, and the chemical properties are stable and not easy to fade, ensuring the long-lasting beauty of the product. 3D printing function. All-round seamless printing using 360-degree seamless digital printing machine to achieve 360-degree all-round seamless printing of socks, making the pattern more lifelike. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us for more details.